So, this is the engine of the Mistress. It's got an ATS 3-piece. Head studs. S366 FMW with the .9 AR or .91 AR housing, sorry. Late night. 4-inch turbo back. Big honking air filter. Sorry for the light, guys. 3rd gen intercooler piping. Sorry for the mess, too. Shitty boost gauge wiring, because the previous owner hasn't had luck wiring stuff, and I don't want to change it. Got an ISPRO mechanical fuel pressure gauge, coming from straight from the VP, needle valve, steel braided line. All the way in up and into the cab. Quadzilla. 6-speed manual. Heated leather seats. I've stayed stock with wheels and tires, basically. Sorry for the light again, guys. But just 30-inch tires. 29.5 by 80 by 16. Let me walk around back. Tight squeeze. Summer wheels, about to be thrown on soon. 4-inch turbo all the way back to a 5-inch tip. Fast 150, of course, with a draw straw until I get a sump. I do have head work, and I have it O-ringed right now. I'm building an auto for it, and I'm building my twin kit. It's going to be a 60 over a S475. So hopefully that needs to be rebuilt. That one just needs a wastegate, but I'm going to do an external wastegate on it and probably just close that one. But hopefully you guys like the video. Subscribe. I'll be letting go some more dyno and track times soon. Hoping to trap at like 14 with a 6-speed. It's got a South Bend dual disc clutch. Stock intake horn, silicone boots, stock clamps. It's a nice truck. It gets up and goes, tows when I need it. Yeah, subscribe. I'll be letting go more track, like I said, track and dyno days, maybe some cruises, and then hopefully some fishing videos too soon here. Thanks, guys.